Hey, how's it going? Christian here. Today we're going to be cleaning an air filter. We're at mid-mod today, unit. It's going to be pretty straightforward. So first step you want to make sure you do is you turn off the actual HVAC system. So just turn it off, put it on off mode, or turn down the temperature so it turns off. And so now this is where it kind of sucks air. And so we do this as routine cleaning maintenance. If you take a closer look at these fins, you'll see they're kind of a little dusty. Typically we go about 5 weeks or so. And now to clean that up, all you really need to use is this vacuum cleaner here. And then the vacuum cleaner has a little attachment right here with the little brushes. It's the easiest way we found to do. Just turn on the vacuum cleaner and then just kind of clean that up. And then now if we get another closer look, you can zoom back in here. You'll see it has these little fins or these little attachments here. You just fold these out to the right, just like that, make them vertical. And then this is gonna do that now, a little pull down, and it's gonna now come down. And then be careful because there is also an air filter in here so that it doesn't come down. All right. And then I'm gonna put this to the side. And as you can see, it just kind of has little hooks here and it hangs, so it's gonna be perfectly fine hanging just like that. And now you can vacuum this side of the fins as well. And then we're also gonna be changing the air filter itself. This filter still looks pretty good, very clean actually. It's just the fins that really need vacuuming this time. But whenever you do replace an air filter, typically look on the edges here. You'll see an arrow that says airflow. Let me put that. It says airflow there. So basically, you want to make sure, like I said, this is suction, so the air flows inward. So you want to make sure that the arrow is pointed up in the direction of the air. So then you just put that just like that when you replace the filter, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to do it now. Just since it's turned off, it's not sucking, and just like that. Hook it back in, put those flips, those little attachments, hook them back in, and that's how you pretty much change an air filter.